Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Boy, do we have a lot to talk about today. So I'm going to hop right into it. You may have noticed that I've been absent for the last 2 videos. And the reason for that is because I am revamping everything to make it so that you have a better viewing experience on my channel. So I have gone and done a few things. I am currently working on my website. I'm revamping the website to offer a blog portion of it, as you can already go there and view the blog portion, which is craftyauthor.com. But I've also created a new tab, and that is for my VIP supporters. And so a VIP supporter is basically a Patreon supporter. So I have gone ahead and I have created a Patreon account, and I am going to go through the different tiers here so that you'll know what my Patreon account is all about. And yeah, we'll just get into that. So I am going to be putting up my patterns. I already have my queen size rag quilt pattern up. I'm working on adding more patterns onto it. I'm adding for baby quilts, the queen size quilt, the twin size quilt. I'll be doing the t-shirt quilt. It comes with written instructions. You still get video instruction. I will still be doing the videos here on YouTube. This is just a little bit more extra. So if you want extra things, if you want access to those items, that's what you'll get with the Patreon subscription. So here we go. So for the honey buns, which is the very basic level, it gets you for $3 a month. You get early access to my videos when available, and you also get 10% off in my Etsy store. That includes if I'm having a sale, whenever, you get 10% off in my Etsy store. The next level is called Jelly Rolls, and that is $5. You get all of the perks of the honey buns, plus you get access to all the quilt patterns. So each month what I will do is I will send out a code, and you will be able to access it that way, but you have to be a Patreon member. For layer cakes, that's a $10 level. You get all of the perks of the 2 above it. Plus, you get a members-only live chat with me once a month on the 3rd Saturday of every month. And I will be doing that via Zoom. So if that's something you're interested in. Okay, the next level that I have is the Charmers. And that is a $25 level. It includes all of the honey buns, jelly rolls, layer cakes. Plus, you get a gift sent by me after 1 full month of subscription. So I will send you a gift. It will be a sewing item that I have personally made, just so you know. Then we have the mini charms, which is, boy, I can't speak today, which is $50. You get all of the perks of the previous perks, plus you get a fat quarter bundle when you first subscribe, and then you get a fat quarter bundle from me quarterly from my own personal stash. So I will personally cut your fat quarter bundle for you quarterly, and of course for the one-time fee. All right, the next one is hexagons, and that is a $75 level, and you get all of the perks of all the tiers, plus a monthly subscription mystery box that is sewing and quilting related. And then the last one is fat quarters, and that one is $100, and that includes all of the perks, but it also includes a 1-hour session, a 1-hour one-on-one quilting instruction with me twice a month. So you'll get 1 hour, actually it works out to 2 hours. So that's what you get, 2 hours a month, one-on-one quilting instruction. So if you are working on a quilt and you need one-on-one instruction on how to put it together, or you need help with a certain pattern, or you're just not sure and you want to do that, that is available to you as well. So I just wanted to let you know that that's kind of what I'm working on. Also, tomorrow, my hair is going again. I'm cutting all of my hair off. I'm going back to the A-line. I can't stand it. My hair is long. It's about down to here. It's just straight. It just hangs. It does nothing. And I have had it, and I'm ready to just chop it off and start anew. So I'll be doing that. And I am still working on getting the 4th of July Star Spangled table topper done. I am working on instructions. I am working on quilting yardage, which I already have worked out. I need to do the video tutorial for it still, but I am going to be putting that also under the subscription, the VIP supporters tab on my my website. Gosh, I couldn't think for a minute. So if you are interested in that pattern that I had shown before, the star with the flag in it, that is going to be one of the Patreon subscription items. And I am hoping to launch the entire website, the whole revamp and everything on July 1st. So I am still working on getting patterns and things like that up. You can still subscribe to Patreon. I have the link down below in this description box. So if you want to join, that's great. Go in there, take a look at what I have to offer. And you know, I will be doing the lives and things like that. So just bear with me with the patterns. That takes a little bit of time to get up and running. So I think that's probably the only thing that I'm really waiting on is that. So, you know, I'm still working during the day, and in the evenings, I'm really focusing on getting that those things done. So my goal here is, just so you know, my goal is to take this full time so that I won't be working so much. So I'm trying to do the Crafty author full time, in case you're wondering what's going on here. And so, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So it's time. It is time. So it started out as a hobby for me, and it has turned into something more. And I came to a crossroads where I really had to sit down and I really had to process and think about how I wanted to do this, where I wanted it to go, and what was going to be the best way to serve you. And I really feel like this is the best way to serve you and to make it possible for me to still live and, you know, be able to devote my time to you. So I hope you understand. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to follow me on social media, links are down below in the description box. The Patreon link is actually down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to share it, that'd be great, because sharing is caring. And keep on crafting. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.